subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest uploaded videos.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn more about maths tables. Multiplication tips and tricks. 1 to 10. Here are some tips and tricks to help you with multiplication. Everyone thinks differently, so just ignore any tricks that don't make sense to you. First of all, memory is your best friend. With the multiplication table in your memory, you simply know that 3 times 5 equals 15. 6 times 8 equals 48. Memorize fast too. The best trick. Every multiplication has a twin, which may be easier to remember. For example, if you forget 8 times 2, you might remember 2 times 8 equals 16. This way, you only have to remember half the table.
I will teach you tricks by number. To add the number to itself. In other words, double it. Example, 2 times 9 equals 9 plus 9 equals 18. 4. Double, then double again. Example, 4 times 9, double 9 is 18, double 18 is 36. 5 cut in half, then times 10. Example, 5 times 6. Cut 6 in half to get 3. Then times 10 for 30. Or times 10 then cut in half. Example, 5 times 9, 9 times 10 is 90, then cut in half for 45. Also the last digit goes 5, 0, 5, 0, like this, 5, 10, 15, 20. 6. When you multiply 6 by an even number, they both end in the same digit. Example, 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 4 equals 24, 6 times 6 equals 36, etc. For 7 times 8, think 5, 6, 7, 8, 56 equals 7 times 8. 8 double, double, double. Example, 8 times 6, double 6 is 12, double 12 is 24, double 24 is 48. 9 is 10 times the number minus the number. Example, 9 times 6 equals 10 times 6 minus 6 equals 60 minus 6 equals 54. The ones digit goes 9, 8, 7, 6, that is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. The tens digit goes 0, 1, 2, 3, that is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Subtract 1 to get the tens digit, and the tens and ones digit together make 9. Example, 9 times 5, tens digit is 4, 4 and 5 make 9, so 45. Example, 9 times 8, tens digit is 7, 7 and 2 make 9, so 72. Your hands can help. Example, to multiply 9 by 8, hold your 8th finger down, and count 7 and 2, the answer is 72. For 10, put a 0 after it. Example, 10 times 2 equals 20. Remembering squares can help, like remembering the squares where you multiply a number by itself. That is, 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 4 equals 16, 5 times 5 equals 25, 6 times 6 equals 36, 7 times 7 equals 49, 8 times 8 equals 64, 9 times 9 equals 81, 10 times 10 equals 100. Hope you all understand. See you next time. Until then, bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.